Ikworo mewa do obowani emewiyo mewe yo moteruwa oyono ayeru wewi Kristi ogenenyeru happy umukoro no ne na megunota kpa bo Igbo say ne alphabet in Urhobo language ibieta wevure ebe Urhobo ovu Urhobo ewe ibieta ujegbinyori ovu ibieta jegbinyona ibieta igwe ovuronye ibieta rupo de ibieta rako ejo ovuronye oye ikwegberere ibieta na eje kukugbo iwodie ibieta ujegbinyona kena obore saiwa a b d e f g h I j k l m n o p r s t u v w y z ibieta ruvo evue igwe na kena obore saiwa a e i o u ekari umuge obu obese ibieta na wa sasasa woke amari uge soso ibieta ruvo uge soso a as in in English ame water letter a sound as in a in English emu food. The second letter sound as as in air or earth in English. Example eto hair. Letter I sound as iroko. Example irosu rice. Letter O, the first O without dot, it sound as e.g. oro gold. The second letter O with dot under sound as or as in or in English, e.g. omo child. Then letter U sound as e.g. utita onion. Then we'll go to ibieta rako consonant sound. We have ba, de, fi, gi, hi, ji, ki, li, mi, ni, pi, ri, si, ti, vi, wi, yi, zi. Oborari ya iwotota nwa esosuo ibieta ko, that is consonant sound. Oborari iwotota nwa. Example b sound as in beat b, e.g. blow cut. Letter D sound as da, e.g. da, de, di, do, do, e.g. de, by. Letter F sound as in free in English, e.g. full off or quench, to off something or to quench it. Letter G sound as in give, ga, strong. Letter H sound as in he in English, e.g. her, bait. Letter J sound as in jump in English, je, shoes. Letter K sound as in cat, ka, e.g. care, give. Letter L sound as in light in English, la, e.g. low, shine. Letter M sound as in mom, mo, e.g. more, come. Letter N sound as in kneel, ni, e.g. no, look. Letter P sound as in pit, pi, e.g. whoa, jump. Letter R sound as in rat, ra, ra. Attend, ra, ran, that is loose, ra, that is to go, to attend. Then letter S sound as in so, so, se, se, say, e.g. say, call, to call someone, say, call. Letter T sound as in toe, te, te, ta, te, ta, e.g. ta, ta, talk. Letter V sound as in vote, v, 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 e.g. vo, fetch, to fetch. Letter W sound as in want, wa, wa, we, we, wo, woo, where, e.g. where, you. Letter Y sound as in you, that is e.g. yan, be going, be going. Letter Z sound as in zeal in English, e.g. ze, to sacrifice. Erururobo oya wa gwanore eje biko yo na ma amare yo ni ma amare obura jurobo na lele efe urobo na oje gro iti na emidike ko ewu yo no meri yo no na ebiko eje urobo na gwa urobo na ebe na were mamo wa kobiro wa wo nenuwe yeke vovo de diane woje subscribe YouTube me mo me gwono de me vu YouTube o de me vu ren Christy Nyerowo Igbo Force evuri YouTube. Subscribe irele wo nenuwe. Ami onu neje mi bia yo vuri YouTube. Wado ekukugbe aya obalo. Ekukugbe aya obalo. Worurobo ekukugbe aya obalo. Tobona ekiborwa. Robo ado amrekesi fa o.